Right guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another McLaren video. Before I do anything, I do have a couple boxes to open and see what we have inside. And we have here the headlight that I got on eBay. There it is. There it is. So I think I did mention before, the headlight at the dealer is 9,000 plus tax. Well, 9,000 something plus tax. We got this one for 2,100. Excuse me. And this thing looks brand new. If you look at the glass, no crack, no scratches. Everything in the back, it's nice and clean. I love opening packages, but same time I'm nervous because sometimes you buy something and they send it wrong and then you have to wait to return, and sometimes you buy something and they send it damaged or it gets damaged on the way. So what we have here is the tie rod. They took me forever to find one. And this one came from Australia. We bought it for like $400 something plus $100 shipping. But yeah, it's expensive. But everything else is expensive in this car. So right now we're gonna take the old one off because that one is damaged right here. This part is damaged and we're gonna install the good one.
Alright guys, before we start doing anything to this car, I want you guys to check out these calipers. They're pretty massive and they wear powder coated blue. And then also the rotors are pretty fat. Look at this.
Yeah,
and the brake pads themselves are really good.
Man, what do you think if we do the seat belts blue?
I think it'll pop up pretty good.
Yeah, because it has the S, the brakes,
the blue right here.
and maybe the seat belts. But we'll get to that later when the car is done.
Yeah, but for now, let's take out the tie rod. The reason it took us a while to find it is because most people sell it with the whole steering column.
Rack and pinion?
The rack and pinion, yeah.
Yeah. Even the dealer said that they're not selling this separately.
Yeah, and it was kind of hard to match it and
check
actually
if
find
it's,
this part.
Check if it matches.
It looks like it's gonna work. I mean, it's from this car.
Yeah, but they might send the wrong one. But yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Nice. Now we can drive after this.
Alright, so the main problem was that the ball snapped out of this bolt and it would just go in and out, so we don't want to just bang it back in and risk the chance of popping it back out, so we just bought a new one.
Right, so the new tie rod is in. The wheels, they look pretty straight right now, but we're still gonna do an alignment after the car is done. Right, so here we have the trunk. It comes from two pieces. I believe they call it tub. And there's some little parts inside. This one is good, no damage. We still saved this because of the sensors and the yellow piece. That's the side of the bumper. We still need that. Other than that, we got a new piece, carbon fiber. That's the door glass, both of them. Hey, I'm working. I'm working. I know you're cute and all, but I'm busy. Yes, the door glass, windshield, and the hood. The hood has a little damage, but we're saving. This is the rest of the parts that we bought earlier. The fender, it's actually the original fender. It's still good. It has a little damage. It's gonna get fixed.
Okay guys, now it's time to open the rest of the parts that we got a little bit earlier. And I'm gonna start with the trim that goes on the windshield. That one was damaged, I think when they pulled the fender off or something, but we did end up getting a brand new one. So this goes here. So this is another piece with the bumper on the left side. It does come in 3 pieces, you can see the yellow over there. So this is this side, and then this plastic piece goes right here. Just like that. Okay, these next 2 pieces, they're the support for the fenders. They go right here. These 2, and we can't really install them because we need this fixed first. That way we leave everything open so it's easier to work on.
And what's that? Already forgot what's all that.
I have no idea.
Oh man, that's my Mustang parts. The rear diffuser. And I was looking for that. I turned the whole garage upside down.
This is just foam pieces for the support under the fender.
That's the headlight, I think. I mean the bracket between the fender and
for the
bumper.
bumper.
Yeah.
Some double stick tape.
Sensor. So I can't really remember exactly how much you paid for every piece, but we will do a price review on the end. Wow.
Around how much?
Right now, for everything, we are either close to 20,000 or somewhere over there on
This
parts.
is for parts.
Yeah. Well, not everything is here. Like we have this bumper at your house. And then, like I show you guys, the rest of the parts are right there. Yeah, everything is expensive. Especially some of them we got it at the dealer, like all this stuff. And that's money right there. I know what stuff is. For this side, we have the original one, and we got the new one for the other side. Yeah, it goes over there after you install the fender. And that's the last piece for now.
Pretty much it's over for the trunk.
Right, so now that we have all the parts, or at least the parts that we can start working on this car. With the frame, I'm gonna mention again, it's just this one corner. We gotta change the windshield and the glass on the doors. Other than that, everything, we have to take it to a shop and get it painted. This door, there's some fiberglass work to get done. Like over here, right there, and then on the bottom a little bit too. This piece we got, wait. The piece is not here.
Which piece?
This one.
From outside.
Yeah,
That's what I said.
I bought it for sure. Right, so in these two boxes, we have the left and right door glass. But I do remember sticking something and I forgot what I put, and then digging into the box, I find more parts. There is one of the grills that goes on the bumper, and I'm not gonna open everything to see what's there because I'm pretty sure there's a couple more plastics, but this is what I was looking for. I think this one, it's just the glass over there. This one has a few little plastics, but I don't want to pull them down because the windshield is over there, the hood. But yeah, Paul, open this piece. So there he is. Man, I start sweating a little bit. I'm like, what is that piece? I know I bought it. Because this is like, from what I remember, it's just one piece of plastic or fiberglass, but it was like 600 plus. There he is.
Da. Yeah.
Yeah, there's the piece. And it's funny how the whole thing, it's on some kind of glue or almost like caulking. So you're gonna have to buy the type of caulking or glue. And nothing else, like no screws, no clips. Is that the...
Yeah.
Okay. Feels good. Alright. Oh, thanks God we found it. Right, guys, so I gotta go to the shop because the guy is coming to change the windshield on the McLaren, and I wanna film all that, and I'll catch you there.
We're making some progress on the McLaren. We got the old windshield out, and then it's getting prepped and cleaned to be installed for the next piece. So we're moving along. Guys, so there it is. The windshield is all finished. The glue is drying up. The tape is just holding it in place so it doesn't move around. So we did install the new windshield, and it is original from McLaren. So that's another thing we just took care of. Now it's time to move to the whole front end.
Right, guys, so those are all for today's video. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.